I was born in Arizona. I currently live here. I'm born and raised here. I'm 27 and I started the course in at the end of March, I believe. But I do have a full-time job, so it took me a little while to get through everything. But it's really simple. It's really straightforward. It's a really great course. Linda's always available with any help. If you have any questions, she's just an email away. As far as personally with the course, right now I'm going into the an apprenticeship. I just got the ball rolling. I submitted my resume and I have to do the test and everything, but I'm really excited to start working, start making money. So hopefully in the future I can create or start my own small business and maybe one day have my own employees or, you know. I would say the trials, you can kind of, just from the practice trials that I did, you can kind of get a taste of what I'm going to be listening to because there's a lot of different cases, but it's pretty interesting everything that we get to hear, and I'm excited too. Well, of course, I wish I could quit my job, but as of right now, financially, I do have to keep it just so I can keep a roof over my head and everything. So I do want to ease into transcription, but at some point, I do want to, be able to leave that job. No, I'm just really excited to get into it and dive in and hear all the different types of situations and just get experience in the field and hopefully meet people um, also that took the course and, that work in the field so I can get advice and things like that. I did like being able to help, like whenever they would ask questions, I actually experienced this, so I can, give them my 2 cents and hopefully help them out.